Hello, we are here with the first of the three videos in this series, and it is accounts payable filtering pending invoices at a reporting date. Uh, and have you ever wondered how to instantly know the unpaid invoices of the vendors at a reporting date? And in this video, I will show you exactly how to quickly filtering out the pending invoices at a reporting date from the list of invoices. So we have the data in this form, and what we will be interesting, we will be filtering out the first six column, though we will be using the last one in the formula, but our objective is to filter out the first six columns. So and we'll be using the filter function that is available in the Excel 365. So let's apply it. First we want to select the whole data, first six column, and then Control Shift down arrow. Now we will be adding the criteria. So the first criteria is definitely the invoice date should be before or at the reporting date. So it should be either less than or equal to the reporting date. And you can fix the reporting date by pressing F4. Parenthesis close, and then we need to add the another criteria with that, and the criteria will be either there's no payment of that invoice, means the payment date is blank, or with the plus sign is means R, the pending payment invoice date is after the reporting date, means payment is made but made after the reporting date. So it will accumulatively invoices. So we need to close out the parentheses, 3 it is, and then we need to hit enter, and here we go. We have all the pending invoices at the reporting date. Now because it's dynamic, if I change the date to like 1st January, 10th of January, means that these are the invoices that were invoiced to the company before the 10th of Jan and were remain payable, were not paid at the reporting date. Let's back it to the 31st December, and then we need to calculate the number of days past. So that will be the reporting date minus, I'm fixing out the reporting date by pressing the F4, and then minus the due date. Click, and then you can copy it, you can double click it, and we have calculated the due past days for each invoices. Now in the second video we'll be calculating or the aging pending invoices into time buckets. So thank you for this video, and if you have any question, comments, please comment in the comment section below. Thank you.